Alright guys, I'm running Uncanny X-Men 141 for Greg. Get a timestamp. 8:52 on the 20th of June. And it's 8:52 here on the 20th of June in Perth, WA. There's 45 spots with Anthony at 45, and at spot number 1 we have Anthony again, and I've put those in the list. Anthony number 1 down to 45, which is Anthony. 3 dice roll. 4, 8, 9, 10. 4, 8, 9, 10. Alright, good luck everyone. 45 items in the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. 4, 8, 9, 10. 2 more to go. Lucky last. Good luck. Contact Greg when you've seen this. So 10 times. 4, 8, 9, 10. Whoops, get out of there. Alright, let's see who's the winner. Winner is Anthony. You've made a fair pile of winnings there, mate. Congratulations again with spot 41. Double check that. 45 items, 10 times. 4, 8, 10. And the final timestamp. 8:54. 8:54 local time. Alright, thanks everyone.